What's going on, guys? Technokiller here, back with another episode of Left 4 Dead. Today we are going to be doing Hard Rain. We'll catch you guys in there. Bye-bye. Alright guys, we're getting into Hard Rain, attempt 2, because I lost the footage for the first one.
He says attempt 2, but attempt 1 wasn't any fun either, so don't
Why can I not jump on top of this truck?
Oh. Yeah, second pistol. Yeah. Oh no! Oh.
I'm just trying to grab my gun!
Connor, were you attempting parkour?
Yes, parkour! Hardcore parkour!
There we go.
Alright.
What?
Do I want the sniper? Sure,
No.
I'll take a sniper.
No, the snipers are like the worst weapon in the game.
Actually, they're not that bad.
I mean, here's the thing. All I do is
There's a jockey!
It grabbed me! Yay!
So the sniper, to scope, Connor?
I know.
Okay.
I scoped.
That's a hunter.
Doesn't matter. I don't really use them.
Ah!
Good job, Christopher.
I literally just pretty much sit here the whole time, just spamming dual wielding weapons.
Stop trying to shoot the cars to spawn the horde.
So, are we gonna go for trying to kill all the witches on the way?
Yes. I will not experience the witches with water. Alright, I refuse. On my Desi loving face. Alright, I refuse to face witches.
Desi, what the hell are you talking about?
He's just talking about how stressful it is if we don't kill all the witches on the way there.
Is it raining? Never mind. It is.
So pretty much what the what this campaign is go to one destination to get some fuel for the boat and then get back to the boat.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Why, Connor? That was just kidding, there is no smoke. I could have sworn I saw it. Is anyone? Oh,
I'm trying.
you're not doing
Sorry, I
a
was
good
exploring.
job. For someone trying to help, you didn't do a great job. Never mind, there was a thing. I was right.
Oh geez, zombies
Why are
pushing.
you coming for me? Yeah. Leave me alone!
He's trying to outdo you!
I don't know what I did.
He's like, go for the biggest guy. I gotta intimidate them.
Go for the biggest guy. I got this.
For me, Desi is not the biggest guy. He is an ace trainer girl.
Biggest female, sorry.
Did you say he's a she-male?
Yeah.
Wow, man, this is... There's no ads on this video!
It's okay. I already have 2 videos that don't have ads on them. So.
Oh no, Desi, you don't have enough subscribers to get ads.
Exactly! So I don't have ads.
Yeah, so exactly. He has 2 videos with no ads.
Desi, what's in here? Anything? Chainsaw?
Hey, I'm reloading.
That's what I'm looking for.
Molotov?
That's not what I'm looking for. Close the door on you.
Reloading here.
Anything in here?
Oh. There's a
Let me
zombie
use
at
the
the door.
Let me, there is a zombie at the door. Do you want me to kill him?
The rain
Safe.
has begun.
Hey, I'm reloading.
Smoker. We're fine.
Reloading.
I think I'd rather have
I
the
hear a
flashbang.
spitter.
Guys, I have boom rounds.
Oh my god, got up on the witch. There's a witch.
Cocky.
Why are you guys so far ahead?
Reload.
Okay, Kevin, the witch is right over here.
Right over
I
there.
don't have a chainsaw for it though.
Is it home run time, Christopher?
Huh?
Home run time?
Wait for me!
No!
We weren't fast enough for that set. This way, I found the safe house.
Sorry, I'm looking for items that helps in our survival. Called a chainsaw. It's the easiest way to kill all the witches.
Move!
Bitches.
Reloading! Oh man. Oh man, oh man, oh man. Hey, can somebody
It doesn't matter. I have boom boom rounds.
Desi, you're a boom boom round.
No, I'm a boom 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 boomer.
Does he just call himself a boomer?
I got a pipe bomb.
Yes, sir.
I believe he did.
Whoa, my screen went black.
Oh no.
My screen went blurry. I thought that's what's supposed to
It's not
happen.
like just black, but it's still doing the loading thing, but like everything else is black. Like I
Good.
see the tank slayer and then the tips and we're safe for now. I see all that jazz.
Oh, wait, we're playing jazz?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Alright, I'm all set to go.
Grabbing pills.
Ooh, my actual gun.
Hey, look, I can see outside on the other side instead of it just being a black hole.
It's always a black hole.
Desi,
It's
you're a
because
black
we
hole.
were going back, though.
Oh hi.
Oh, I found friends.
Oh, I wasn't served all the ammo.
Grenade launchers. My sniper had explosive rounds if anyone wants it, but you know, it doesn't matter. I have a grenade launcher. On my screen, it's actually a oh, what's it called? You know, what's that one thing called? It's a bow and arrow. What is that called?
Crossbow.
Crossbow.
No, it's a bow and arrow. I just
It's a bow
told
and
you.
arrow. Then it's a bow and arrow. So Desi, I think this is that. Also, Desi, I should mention, I think this death battle might actually be a bit more fair than we thought it was gonna be.
I mean, yeah, but
Desi,
Desi, you just dodged the charge.
it shouldn't
Time
be.
froze and he can move.
Yeah, that's
I found
just
the
what I'm afraid. I did too. I'm throwing fire on her.
Reloading.
Ow! Who is on me? Let me just punch the
I ain't
witch.
leaving you, but you better get up.
I pistol whipped her.
I believe in
Good
you, but
job.
you better get up.
I don't want to face any type of witch, cause they. Oh, there's another one.
I'm a reload.
Another one.
You said another one?
I'm gonna take the assault rifle.
No, I'm gonna keep my grenade launcher. Way too much fun.
Reload.
So where did the witch go?
Well, I don't know where the second one is, but the third one is right here.
Is it gone?
Where'd she go? Where's she? Where's she? I blew
Wait,
her
it's
up.
right here. She's right here.
Where?
Right next to me. With all these zombies.
Dead?
Yeah.
Ah, jockey's on me.
Well, there's another one again. As to be expected.
I just saw her body ragdoll.
I'm gonna do a flip.
Right towards me, I'm like, what the hell? Oh my god, quit blowing shit up!
Oh my god, I blew up the whole shed.
The whole shed, not the
I already have adrenaline shot.
not the full shed.
Yeah, we want to save some of this stuff just in case.
Yeah.
Smoke
If we
it.
can even.
You ever seen so many witches? Holy shit.
Where's this whore at?
On me, I'm literally hanging. Y'all,
I'm
help!
coming.
Get help me.
I don't know how to get you. There, found him.
Oh
I'm gonna
my
die.
God.
Hold on, no, you're not, Desi.
There's another witch. I don't know. There's a jockey. There's death, carnage. And it's like the 7 deadly sins all over again. No, I shot you. I shot you. Don't run to me. Okay. She's dead.
There's another way.
You mean that one?
He's dead.
She didn't stand a chance.
Yeah, witches are trash.
Trash witches.
Y'all ready to fight the horde?
Yeah.
I like how the horde comes from the elevator.
They all got on just waiting for us to come.
No!
It got me! No! Deadly, I tried to dodge it so it would give you instead. I am almost dead again.
It'd be like that.
Oh, there's zombies coming from the other way this time.
Oh shit.
You seem to be Boomer.
Tank
Don't
is coming
fall.
up. Oh
Don't
my God, the tank is here. Deadly tank's right behind you.
What the
Boomer
hell is
Vile.
going on?
There's the tank. Charger.
Elevator. Elevator. No, I'm being taken. No, I'm not.
Connor, get on the elevator.
Connor, get in.
Get in.
I wanted to conserve ammo, but never mind.
I technically have 4 bullets left.
I have 33 bullets left, and Connor's shooting my ankles.
I have 185.
Hold on, Desi. Desi, I need to do something to you real quick.
Ow.
Someone else go ahead of me. I am not walking through here. Kevin, where are you going?
I'll walk through here. I ain't
I
afraid
found
no
a
witch.
There's a witch.
Where?
Where the hell was this
Right
pipe
on the
from?
gas line. Right ahead of us. She's a little bit to the right. You see her?
Come at me, witch. Ah, okay, she came.
Oh shit.
What? Why?
Alright. Stall, I'm taking some adrenaline.
Oh my god. Y'all, do not fall off.
Oh my. Oh.
Oh, she's right in front of me, isn't she? I can hear.
Follow the signs of the gas. There's a witch. What in the world?
Where? Where?
Take it away.
I'm dead, guys. I'm.
I got you, Desi!
Christopher, you're saying I'm in the way, but the witch kept pushing me into you guys.
I didn't say you were in the way. I said I got pushed away.
Oh, my next knockout is Dunzo. My next knockout is death.
Desi, where are you?
Oh my god. Y'all. There's a smoker out in the...
I see him. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit,
Close the
oh
door.
shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit.
Keep the door closed.
They can deal with that.
Y'all, there's a smoker and a hunter. Oh my god.
No! Who opened it?
Smoker here somewhere.
I was
We
beating
can
the
save
zombies.
them!
Desi.
I came back to save you! What do you mean? Don't call me
I
out!
don't need help, I don't need help.
I don't believe you. I'm seeing you jump around like a maniac, you freaking monkey.
It's because it's
Of course I'm a
Fortnite.
monkey.
That's why he's jumping around.
Who do you think I am? No, this is Fall Guys. What are you talking about? What's Fall
Okay.
Guys?
Come on, y'all, get inside.
Connor, there's only one game that I know you jump and shoot at the same time.
That's
Call
like
of Duty?
to be fair, that's how I play Overwatch. I jump and shoot 90% of the time.
Fortnite.
No, dude, you gotta watch me play Overwatch more. Cause that's literally me playing Junkrat. That's
He did the most
literally
damage to the
Junkrat.
witch.
That's just like, I'm gonna kill all the witches. Any witch that comes my way is gonna catch these fucking hands.
Hands.
I have hands.
I have a defibrillator.
It's a figure. There is a katana over here.
Yep. Let's get back to the damn boat.
Do I want anything? I think I'm good.
Let's do this. Bye. You're almost dead.
I know I'm almost dead.
Then why aren't you saving yourself?
With the defibrillator?
No, with a medkit. Do we not have a medkit?
There's not a medkit here. I have a defibrillator. That's it.
I can't heal him. I guess if he dies, he dies.
We'll just heal him with the defibrillator.
Reload.
Wait a minute. We entered here. This door, I swear, did not have a window on it before.
Look, it doesn't matter whether the door has kicks or not. Well, ah! I didn't even see it.
They shoot me, man.
There's a tank somewhere. Am I wrong?
Oh my god, it's right next to you, Dizzy.
Yeah, I saw.
It got Connor. He's holding him hostage. Oh, he's just chasing me now.
Reloading.
Why is he strafing? Like, how did I get up here? What?
Because he threw you.
Y'all, I almost fell out of the map.
It's okay.
I need a first aid kit. I've fallen down twice.
Are you braced?
Oh, yeah, I literally can't hear you. Oh, wait, I did it.
Wait, you were almost
Okay,
doing it.
that's fine. Connor, if you die, we'll find your dead body, use the defibrillator on you.
Nope.
Nope, he's fine.
Doesn't got me.
That's alright. If Connor dies anyways, just keep the defib on him.
Stop shooting
That's
me.
what I'm saying. We should have just let him die.
Really? I just healed you. How dare you shoot me?
You know this is what I do. This is exactly what I do. Every
Y'all wanna
time I
get
play Left 4 Dead, this is what I've done.
Oh, that was a jockey. What in the world?
So guys, what if I drop this chem fluid in here right now?
You can't.
I can't.
I don't think so. Oh,
Dude,
that?
what?
Yeah, no.
That's a charger.
There's already a charger and a smoker right here.
They're just waiting. Yo.
This is so stressful.
Move. I got hella sabotage.
Ow, I took fall damage.
It's okay. Fall damage is meaningless.
I mean, it's meaningful in my in my Breath of the Wild playthrough currently.
Well, that is true.
No, Desi, you don't quite understand. If I die in that game, I have to restart from the very beginning.
Ooh.
That sucks.
Yeah, no. Don't
Yeah,
fall.
I can't even, and I can't grab the Master Sword.
Right, because I can kill you. Take away your hearts for picking it up, right?
It can, but also I can't grab it because it's a permanent weapon at my disposal.
Are you doing one of them Legend of Zelda Nuzlocke sort of thing?
Yes, it's exactly what I'm doing.
There's a witch! Will, we're
Where?
supposed to kill them all. I hear it.
Well, some respawn, but not as we won't have as many.
Well, I'm leaving.
I found the witch. She's
Just
over
skip
here.
it. Just skip it.
Connor?
I'm very much stuck right now.
Connor.
I'm coming.
We have
Oh my
to
God, do
go.
not startle the witch. You are literally about to walk next to the witch.
I don't know where they are.
What if I told you I'm out of ammo?
How did that hunter die so quick?
Because I was shooting it beforehand.
Okay.
Connor, do not walk that way. Connor, Connor.
Oh no.
Connor, do you...
Connor, startle the
Connor!
witch.
Oh shit! I need help!
I'm here.
See,
Here.
if I didn't heal him, he would have just died.
I would have just died. He's entirely correct. I would have been just dead. Thank you.
I told you don't go that way. You literally stop here and stare at the witch.
I don't know where to go. I don't
Right, we
remember
took way too long
anything.
here.
I've gotta go.
We gotta go.
somewhere.
We gotta go now. Let's go.
Uh-huh. This way.
Which way? Oh no, you guys.
Yeah, because we took too long.
And now the rain is
No.
angry.
Y'all, wait.
Mm.
Don't leave us behind, okay?
Hey, some guns here.
I'm probably gonna leave you behind.
Okay, now you can run faster, Connor.
Thank you.
Try not to walk
There's
through
a
water.
smoker.
I see the smoker.
Guys.
Oh, Jesse, you fell.
This is why I have a defib.
No!
No, come back.
Oh my God.
This goes wrong so fast.
Thank you, Desi.
Yep.
You guys might want to move. I'm about to toss some kebs.
Well, we gotta go anyways. Let's...
Ooh, that was dangerous.
Did you just jump?
All damage. Yes.
Do we go through this door? I'm guessing yes.
I think so.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Connor. Why are you so far behind?
Because there's an army of zombies on my ass.
Come on, buddy.
That's okay, kill him with fire.
No!
Oh man.
Oh.
No!
That was like instant karma, let me tell you.
Yeah.
Alright, me. Okay, I got this. Guys, throw fire on his ass. No, that's not a good idea. That's very much a bad idea.
Don't make me come out there for you.
Connor, we're at the safe house.
Okay, I'm almost there.
Question.
Did you guys really?
Shoot each other?
Did I what?
You guys just took all the medkits.
There's only two.
Yeah. No, there was 4 whenever I opened it.
Shh. There was only two.
No, I know there was multiple.
So I used one and then took another one.
Well, that's the end of the first episode of Hard Rain. We'll catch you guys next time.